Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Bitmark on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new post on TikTok. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then for my TikTok post, I'm going to select photos or videos from my gallery. For example, I'm going to select videos. I'm going to select some videos from this album. Okay, just like this. And then I'm going to click on next. And we need to add music or audio to our TikTok post. I'm just going to use this audio. Okay, and then we can go to the TikTok editing by clicking on this icon. Oops, where is the sound? Okay, I'm going to add new sound. Okay, now the sound has been added to this TikTok video, and if we want to add audio beat or beat mark, we can go to the beats menu, and then you can manually add the beat mark to your audio by clicking on this plus icon like this, or you can use the auto generate feature to add the beat mark automatically to your music. I'm just going to use the auto generate feature. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the beat mark has been added to the audio, and I'm going to click on save. Okay, and I'm going to match cut with the beat mark. I'm just going to cut my video right here. Okay, I'm going to click on split and delete the unwanted clip. All right, and for the last video, I'm going to split it right here and delete. Oops, there is still one more video. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. Okay, and you can mute your video like this if you want to mute it. Okay, now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add Bitmark on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.